For a former lawmaker who has always been the thorn on the side of the Dutertes, it is now high time to file an impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. The basis for such complaint, he says, would be the threat to the second highest government official uttered against the first couple and the House Speaker. PTV's Melales Moras tells us more.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV believes now is the time to file an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. This after Duterte's death threat against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Hinog na. Sobra. Pwede siyang kasuhan criminally. In fact, kinakasuhan na siya ngayon. Pero kahit na kasuhan ka ng criminal cases, still, Vice President ka pa rin. So anything that happens to the President, pwede ka pa rin maging Presidente.
So mas mainam yung...
Kailangan matanggal ito sa pwesto. Nakita niyo ba? Sabi ko may topak eh.
In conjunction with this, Trillanes also criticized the statement of BP Sara's father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, who challenged the military to take action against the administration.
That's a crime. No, yung ginawa niya, inciting to sedition, so kailangan managot siya dyan. Ngayon dun sa effect nung panawagan na yon, ako ang advice ko sa mga otoridad ay huwag magkumpiyansa.
Trillanes was one of the resource persons today at the 12th public hearing of the House Squad Committee, where issues concerning POGOs and illegal drugs were scrutinized. During the discussion, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency presented a matrix showing the connection between the two. What stood out was the inclusion of Senator Bongo's photo in the matrix. According to PIDEA, Go is allegedly connected to Chinese drug lord Alan Lim.
Sinabi nyo kanina, si Alan Lim ay involved sa illegal drugs. So, ang ibig bang sabihin, involved din si Senator Bongo sa drugs since kinonect nyo po siya?
According to our informant, they are just close friends. That's why you just put it there. They are just close friends. It is not specific that they are involved in drugs. That's why we have these incorporators, just to interlink them. And we are still digging that what we can have against these people. It is not yet complete, ma'am. It is ongoing.
Following this, some lawmakers criticized the matrix. They argued it would be better if they release such information only after undergoing vetting or verification.
Sorry po, Asek Gumban, wag po kayong gagawa ng ganyang matrix na incriminating at kinoconnect nyo tapos ang title nyo ay illegal and POGO drugs connection.
Huwag tayong magkakamali because you do not want to accuse a wrong person, Asek Gumban.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, maybe the title is wrong.
Earlier, Senator Go denied being friends with Lim and emphasized he's strongly against illegal drugs. From PTV Manila, Melales Moras, Balitang Pambansa.